Good morning. It is 5 a.m. on Easter Sunday. Happy Easter, everyone. I am up early because I have a huge Easter dinner planned for this evening, and I need to get a head start on some of my dishes before we leave for church this morning. And I want to have enough time that I can do my hair, like actually curl it and stuff like that. So I am up early today to start on the cake. I'm making a Hershey bar cake, but I'm doing a little twist on it. I am dyeing the frosting to make it look like an Eastery color. Like, I think I'm gonna go for a light blue, like a robin's egg blue. So that should look really nice with the chocolate flecks because it'll be like speckled frosting. I'm combining two recipes this morning. So one recipe has the frosting that I want, and one recipe has the homemade cake. When I make cakes for a special occasion, I don't like to use the box cake mix. I guess I'm just old-fashioned that way. My grandparents always made their cakes like from scratch, and I think a from scratch cake tastes so much better that it's worth the extra hassle on a holiday. So that's what I'm doing this morning, and I will link the two recipes down below in case you would like to try this yourself at some point in time. A Hershey bar cake is a favorite of many people, and it doesn't have to be a holiday for you to enjoy that. So, all right, let's get started. So we are home from church. I am starting on the bechamel sauce. I put the ham in the oven with some spices on it, some mustard, and I'm going to use this Thai sweet chili sauce, but I'm going to mix it with like brown sugar so it won't be too, that it won't be too peppy, but I think that'll add like a little something to it. So the guys are out setting the table up for me. I'm gonna get the bechamel sauce done. I'm gonna layer the casseroles, and then I will be able to go outside and start working on decorating.
Mommy,
Why are there eggs in the cups? Wow, Mom.